This clip cost me credits. Looks great until you zoom in. Waxy skin, soft eyes, hair that turns to mush. And when it moves, it stutters. And the fix every AI tool sells you is their own 4K mode, which burns through your credits twice as fast for a result that's still soft. You're paying premium money for footage that isn't actually ready to publish. So today, I'm not fixing this in the cloud. I'm fixing it on my own machine with one piece of software, and I'm doing it live on screen. Kling, Veo, Midjourney, same workflow for all of them. If it breaks, you'll see it break. And here's the part nobody says out loud. Your generator is a subscription. Your Upscaler is a subscription. Your frame smoother, your image enhancer, subscriptions. 5 monthly bills just to get one clip that's actually usable. VideoProc Converter AI is the subscription killer in that stack. It doesn't generate anything. It sits after your generator, you export the clip, and it refines, upscales, and smooths it locally. Pay once, run it forever, unlimited videos, no cloud queue. Let me show you. Super resolution, this is the one that matters. 4 AI models in here, and the 2 you'll actually live in are Gen Detail V3 and Real Smooth V3. Gen Detail is a GAN-based model. It reconstructs texture, skin, hair, fabric, edges. That's exactly what AI footage loses. Real Smooth is the opposite job. Noisy, imperfect, artifact-heavy footage that needs gradients cleaned up naturally. I'm on Gen Detail V3, upscale ratio 2 times, quality high. Now look at the split. Left is the original, right is the output. And I want to be precise about this. That is not a sharpening filter. Sharpening takes blur and makes it crispy and fake. This is rebuilding detail. The hair has strands. The skin has pores instead of that plastic sheen. That's the difference between a clip you post and a clip you delete. Second test, a compressed 720p clip. Same model, same result. And VideoProc's V3 models are 40 to 80% faster than V2, which is the whole reason this is practical now instead of an overnight render. 2 more model swaps quickly. This clip came out noisy. Real Smooth V3 instead. It's not chasing sharpness, it's repairing. Cleaner gradients, no crunch. And if you generate anime or stylized art, there's a dedicated anime model. Regular upscalers destroy line art. They treat the outline as noise and blur it. This one holds the lines and keeps the original style. Same panel, same 3 clicks, just a different model in the dropdown. Second problem with AI video, frame rate. Most generators hand you 24 frames a second, and fast motion turns into a slideshow. Frame interpolation generates the frames in between using motion estimation. Import, pick your multiplier, 2 times through 5 times, and run. It'll take you to 120, 240, even 480 frames per second. Here's the same action clip before and after at half speed. The judder's gone. And there's a bonus. Once you've got the extra frames, you can pull genuine slow motion out of a clip that was never shot slow-mo. Batch works here too, so a whole folder goes in one go. Same engine, but for stills. And if you sell AI art or need a keyframe blown up, this is the section you'll use most. This is a low-res generation. Gen Detail V3, 4 times upscale. Watch the face. Eyes get definition back, the structure holds, and it's not smeared. It'll push images up to 8K, even 10K, without the blockiness you get from normal enlargement. 2 things people miss here. 1, it's batch. Drop a folder of generations in and walk away. 2, there's a DPI setting. Set it to 300 and your AI art is genuinely print ready. Posters, wall art, print on demand. Most upscalers won't even expose that field. And here's the structural difference. I'm turning my internet off completely, and it still runs. Everything processes on your own GPU, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, Apple Silicon. Nothing uploads. No queue behind 3,000 other users. No privacy question about your client's footage. No monthly bill. Batch a folder. Go make coffee. One honest note. AI processing is GPU heavy. Older machine, weaker card, longer renders. That's physics, not a flaw in the software. So, that same clip I zoomed into at the start. Gen Detail V3 rebuilt the detail. The anime model handled the stylized stuff, frame interpolation killed the judder, and image AI turned a keyframe into a print-ready poster. All of it offline, on my own machine. My honest verdict? It's not a generator and it doesn't pretend to be. It's the finishing layer your AI workflow has been missing, and it's the one piece of that stack you can stop renting, because it's a lifetime license. Pay once, own it forever, unlimited videos, lifetime free upgrades, 30-day money back if it doesn't do what I just showed you. Both links are below. First one is the product page if you want to dig into the features. Second one is the direct discount link. It applies the deal automatically. Also pinned in the comments. Go run this test on your own worst clip. I genuinely want to know what it pulls back.